yeah, photobomb. Hamming it up is good. That's right. It's a video.
Oh, not a video.
Yeah, yeah. So we're. He looks good with a hat.
Hey, good to see you.
Take a little video. You know, it's all right. It's all right. Yeah, so there he's gesturing. This is a video. This is a video, so you don't have to do anything.
Thank you.
People are the best thing in videos. Maybe get y'all looking. That's the spirit. It's okay. It's a video and people moving is the best thing. Say again?
Might I not get copyright infringement on some of your photos?
You might? Are you serious?
I have a random story for you. So I don't know you at all.
Okay.
Are you like in the design industry in Atlanta?
No.
You have a Flickr though.
Oh yeah.
So I've seen your Flickr
Oh, yeah.
and I recognize your face from it.
Yeah.
Well, I